your girl Jen. We are back with another video. By the title of this video, y'all can see that this is a unpacking, getting back into your zen, getting back to being you, which is truly that it girl from vacation, y'all. So when I tell y'all I just got back, I literally landed today at 1:40. It's 4:55. So I finally landed. We parked at the airport, me and my best friend. She drove to the airport, so we rode back to her house. I got my car from her house. I packed my suitcases in my car, and then I got home. So from there, your girl is home. I've been home actually for like an hour. I got home like around 3:30, 4 o'clock. So I've been home for about an hour, but I was just like catching up with the fam, seeing my dog. My dog was sick. So I'm just trying to get back into the realm of things. Today is Tuesday, February 11th, and today is February 11th. Tomorrow is Wednesday, February 12th, and I'm off work. So I get to actually transition into things slowly rather than like getting home and going straight to work the next day. Typically, that's what we do when we go on trips, but I don't want to do that anymore. I want to be in my, again, it girl, soft girl era, and you want to be able to transition. You don't want to have a hectic day of traveling like we did today and then come back trying to unpack, then go straight back to work, waking up early. So I'm super glad that I have today to kind of unpack and get everything done. And then tomorrow I do have an appointment for my hair to like touch up on my hair. So I get to kind of relax and then just go into that. And then I do work Thursday and Friday. I'm hoping that I'm gonna have a smooth transition. Because it's very, very important to really focus on your zen and focusing on yourself. Work will be there. Everything will be there. You have to be right for yourself in order to be that great person at work, great coworker, supervisor, manager, what have you. Because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't help others. So it's very, very important. Before we get into this video though, you guys please make sure you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Join the fam. We have a time over here and I promise you're gonna love it. But this video is part of my It Girl series, so it will be attached in there. But let's get into what I have to do. So I literally have just sat my purse down, but I need to slowly get into these suitcases. So you guys are gonna come with me or sit with me as I unpack, you guys. Typically, I am the type of girl who unpacks this same day. Like I cannot sit, like relax, go to bed with my suitcases just sitting in the corner. I cannot. It stresses me out just knowing like anticipating, like trying to unpack. So I like to just get home. I like to unpack and then I'm just relaxing, you know? So I always advise everybody, and I kind of put my best friend on this too, that if you have the time, which you should always have it, to unpack right when you get home. Especially when you go on vacation that was like out of the country or where you were getting in pools and water and things like that. Because for that stuff to soil and sit in your suitcase and mix in with the other clothes is really not good for your clothes either. So I just made it a habit to always do that. So I'm about to get my luggages. I just closed the door so I can talk, but I'm going to get my luggages. We're going to unpack and you guys are going to sit with me as I do so. Let's get this going, y'all. Let's get this going. right, y'all, so I got everything out of my suitcase. So this pile here are all dirty clothes that I'm about to put in my hamper. These clothes here are the ones that I'm gonna just put in my dresser here. This stack here are all my shoes and purses that I need to organize and put back together. All of these clothes right here need to be hung up. And this is like my toiletry stuff that needs to go in the bathroom. So I'm about to put all this stuff up. I will show you guys the finished product of my room once I get all this stuff squared away. Be back, y'all. All right, y'all, and just like that, like nothing happened, your girl has cleaned everything up. So let me talk to you guys really quickly. I just wanted to show you that everything is finito. All right, y'all, so I just finished unpacking. It is 6:15, so it did take me like an hour and 15 minutes to get all of that done because I think I started at 5. It was like 4:55. So we got that done. I feel so good. My room is so clean and organized now. Now your girl is about to go get something to eat. I haven't ate all day. I had a few snacks on the plane, but no meal for the entire day. So I think I'm gonna go get me some Chipotle. So I'm gonna come back and eat from that, and then I'm probably gonna just shower and relax. So I'm about to go to Chipotle, but I'm gonna place my order on the phone, which is what I need to do now. And this is also, oop, y'all, they texted, how did I get involved? They texted me about the Beyonce pre-sale tickets. Oh, Verizon Access gets you in before the crowd. Pre-sale starts February 12th, tomorrow. But anyway, so I'm about to order my dinner on Chipotle on the app, and I'm gonna go pick up the Chipotle. So I will talk to y'all when I get back home. I think I'm gonna get a burrito. I haven't had a burrito in a long time. I always get a burrito bowl. So I'm gonna get a burrito, but I will tap in with you guys once I get home. All right, y'all, so I made it home. I got me a big old burrito, y'all. My light just fell off of my picture. What the heck? But I got me a big old burrito. I got a burrito with the honey. Can you guys see? There we go. Burrito with the honey chipotle chicken. Extra white rice, fajitas, light black beans, extra medium corn, medium green, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce. And then I got some tortilla chips on the side. I got some guac on the side. I got some sour cream on the side. I got some cilantro on the side because I love to like sprinkle my cilantro on each bite. It's so good. And then they don't be putting enough sour cream for you, girl. So I need extra. But I'm about to eat this, relax, and I'm watching the Grammys because I didn't get to watch it last week. So I'm kind of like, I like to watch it later because I get to fast forward and stuff. But again, this is so relaxing. Getting back to being that it girl from vacation, unwinding, and how to get back to being her. And this is part of it, having a good hearty meal, y'all. So I'm about to eat, and then I'll talk in with y'all after this because after this I'll probably take a shower to really wind down. So I'll talk to you after I eat. All right, y'all, so I just finished eating my Chipotle. I am tired. I was kind of sitting laying, but I'm like, let me not get in my bed until I take my shower. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to put my flexi rods in that I put in my hair overnight and take my shower. But I just wanted to kind of do a recap with you guys before I hop in the shower and end this little vlog. It's a quick vlog, so I do apologize for that. But again, it's just about helping you better become that it girl and really transitioning into being that it girl from coming back from vacation. Because again, like, it's not easy coming back from vacation and just being able to like unpack and unwind and get things you need to get done for like your work week or what have you. Like, luckily I only work 2 days this week, which is Thursday and Friday. So and today is Tuesday, so I am off tomorrow, so I get to just relax. But everybody doesn't really get that luxury, so I'm thankful for that. But that's truly helping me to become the it girl and be a soft girl and all of that jazz. So because otherwise, if I had to go to work tomorrow, I wouldn't have been able to do this. I'm just not going to hold you. But that's part of being an it girl and being mindful as well, is that, again, I purposely did this of taking this day off because I didn't want to have to deal with that. Like, I'm coming back from my birthday. I've been gone for a full week, you know, and so I knew that I would need to relax and kind of work my way into getting back to my norm, you know. So yeah, but this is what I do every night since I've gotten these tape-ins is and that's how, like, as you guys can see, hopefully you can see the curls. Like, my hair, I can't barely see, but if you guys can see the curls, my curls I have not used heat on my hair in like a week. These curls are from when I first initially got my hair done last week, and they have just been staying intact this whole entire time. So, which is pretty darn cool. I'm still learning how to like maneuver and do this, but it's super easy. Oops, this part didn't go. But it's been super easy for the most part. Besides my hairs, because I have short hair. But I definitely recommend, like, this is so easy. Like, I'm not a girl who really knows how to like do hair like that, so the easier the better. And to me, this has been very easy. Like, I literally just comb out my curls, as you guys can see, and then I will, and sorry, I'm looking at my mirror here, and I like to wrap it under. I did want to buy more flexi rods just so I can get more volume. So I probably will go on Amazon tonight after I hop out the shower, because I do need some, I need a dryer. Oh gosh, sometimes these are hard to do without looking. I'm trying to look. Okay, there we go. But yeah, so I typically just do a little something like that. And then there you have it. I look like Princess Leia. But yeah, so I do that. But yeah, I will be ending the vlog here. Again, I'm about to take a shower and get in the bed. It is now 10 o'clock. I was just catching up with my mom, having a little combo, catching her up on my trip because I just got back today. But before we leave, please make sure you guys like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Join the fam. We have a time over here. I promise you that. But thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or any like insight you may need or want on how to get back from a vacation and to unpack and to become and get back to being that it girl, please leave comments below. I will talk back to you. I will give you some insight. I still have a few more things to do. But for the most part, the number one thing for me is like literally unpacking the clothes. I don't have a full week ahead of me, so I'm not. The other thing I would probably do is I probably would have went to the grocery store today to get things for like lunch for the work week, but I only work 2 days this week, so it doesn't really make sense for me. I will probably do that this weekend. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.